ये जो इंडिया है ना, यहाँ सबको बिग बॉस बहुत पसंद है. We love Big Boss. So why don't we play Big Boss today with the Uttar Pradesh police? UP police से Big Boss कहते हैं, if a 19-year-old girl is brutalized in a field and brought to your police station, you should delay registering an FIR, even suggest the girl is doing drama. UP police से Big Boss ये भी कहते हैं, even though she is found stripped of her clothes, you should not suspect sexual assault. You should ensure that her vaginal swabs are not taken within the first few hours so that crucial evidence to determine a rape is simply not there. Instead, you should collect samples only 11 days after the incident, by which time all evidence of rape would no longer be there. यूपी पुलिस और हथरस की डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से बिग बॉस कहते हैं, try to persuade the family to cremate their daughter in the middle of the night, and if they don't listen to your gyan about Reeti Riwaz, burn the body in the dead of night anyway. Big Boss knows her body is the most important evidence in the case, so burn it before media turns its attention on the case and before her family gets proper legal advice. For instance, no body means the family can no longer demand a second impartial autopsy. UP police से Big Boss कहते हैं, assume that the public and media are ignorant and say that the absence of sperm in the girl's swab sample means no rape happened. Ignore the multiple court rulings which say that the presence of semen is not necessary to prove rape. Ignore the fact that the definition of rape was broadened in 2013 beyond just peno-vaginal penetration. Big Boss ये भी कहते हैं, do not give much importance to the 19-year-old's dying declaration, in which she has clearly named her 4 attackers, describing how she was assaulted and gang raped. Big Boss कहते हैं, don't seal off the scene of the crime, so that when the special investigation team arrives there 17 days later, the scene of the crime is totally contaminated and provides no evidence that will stand in a court of law. UP police से Big Boss कहते हैं, seal off the village when media tries to meet the girl's family. Tap journalists' phones, tap the phones of the family members to control what the family says and what the media reports about the case. Big Boss कहते हैं, impose section 144, but look away when the upper caste Thakurs of the village gather in support of the 4 accused. And yet, if the media criticism continues, then Big Boss UP police से कहते हैं, announce that you have uncovered an international plot to instigate caste riots and defame the Adityanath government over the assault and alleged gang rape of the 19-year-old girl from Hathras, and file multiple FIRs in police stations across UP under several tough sections of the IPC, including sedition. ये जो इंडिया है ना, यहाँ की पुलिस कब तक बिग बॉस के प्रेशर में आकर काम करेगी? But let's also take a look at Bihar, where yet another police officer is a Big Boss fan. Former Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey को Big Boss ने कहा, show proof of your total loyalty to your political boss. So when Riya Chakravarti claimed the FIR filed against her in Patna relating to Sushant Singh Rajput's death was politically motivated, claiming that even CM Nitish Kumar was taking sides, DGP Pandey immediately spoke up saying, Riya Chakravarti doesn't have the auqat to comment on Nitish Kumar. Misogyny and loyalty दोनों एक ही लाइन में. He did apologize, but since his loyalty was now clear, he was able to quit his police job overnight, join Nitish Kumar's JDU, and hopes to be an MLA soon. And DGP Gupteshwar Pandey isn't the first public servant to be open about his political loyalties. Other senior cops have done it in the past. Army generals have done it. Top bureaucrats have done it. Even former Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, controversially accepted a seat in the Rajya Sabha as a BJP nominee just days after retiring from the Supreme Court, with many asking if it was a quid pro quo. And let's be clear, political parties from right, left and centre, from national parties to regional parties, they prefer and cultivate this big boss relationship with the police and the bureaucracy. And unfortunately, more and more cops and babus seem willing to be compromised. In the Sushant case too, many have called out Mumbai police and Patna police for batting for their respective state governments, and the CBI too, often the last resort for those seeking an impartial investigation. From the Sushant case to Hathras was itself described, the CBI itself was described by the Supreme Court in 2013 as a caged parrot, referring to its inability to function without political interference. So where does that leave us? ये जो इंडिया है ना, it desperately needs police reform. We need greater police accountability, and for that, within the police, we need to separate law and order from the police function of investigation. If police investigation is protected from outside influence, the quality of investigation will improve, conviction rates will go up, and more conviction will deter crime and will deter criminals. Also, to demand more accountability, we need to improve the working conditions and fill up the massive vacancies in our police forces. The UP police has 53.1% vacancies. Until we do all this, how can we expect our police forces to break away from the clutches of Big Boss?